Hello, everybody. It's Isaac here, and today is Friday, March 2018, and today um, we'll be talking about some topics like um, uh, we'll be talking about. Okay, so that's the first topic, and second topic. Third topic. Okay. So the three topics we're talking about is program, numbers, social. So we'll get back to it just in a few. So hey, it's me, Isaac. Like I said, we want to talk about just three topics: program, numbers, and social. Now, I'll just give you a little briefing why I came up with this topic. Well, um, uh, right now I have a newborn baby, and I'm very excited about it. Uh, she's 2 weeks old now, and I named her. Me and my common law wife named her um, Safari Sky, and she's a great gift to us. And you might hear her crying in the background, but I wanted to talk about certain things like uh, about why it's important um, for me to be uh, a program starter, and why it's important for you viewers to uh, keep hearing and visiting our YouTube channel for more content and um, awesome recordings of videos that we release. Okay, so and um, social, like I said, you can find me on three channels. Those are Isaac G. Williams, Millennial Kingdom, and Mr. Isaac G. Williams. Okay, Mr. Dot Isaac G. Williams. Okay, so let's get to it. We're gonna go right back into our whiteboard. Okay, so um, we're gonna start off with the first one, program. Okay, so basically about program. Um, in Montreal, we have a program called SIP, And what it is it helps newly parental and first time babies to learn more about, for parents to help learn more about how to raise children, okay? And it's something that I'll be uh, actually starting soon. Um, and I'm very much excited about it. Can't wait to see what they're going to share and what they're going to talk about. Um, I would like to ask you guys a question about um, second topic, numbers. Okay. Now, um, did you know that there is a number called, let me see if I can gather my thoughts. Okay, 1 second. So there's a number, there's a number called Novem Novem uh, Novem Nona Novemnonagintillion. Okay, I know it's a long word, but there's actually, this is a number. Okay. Now, the reason why I brought up this one is because a lot of people are familiar with the number after that one, um, which is, okay, which is cen- centillion. Now, the difference between these two are um, really that this one is 10 to the power of 300, and that this one, okay, uh, after you have one Novemnonagintillion, then you have 10 Novemnonagintillion, then you have 100 Novemnonagintillion, okay? And then after comes this one, which is 10 to the power of 303. Okay, so centillion is 10 to the power of 303. and that's how much zero are in Centillion. Now, I brought this up because I figured that a lot of you guys never heard about this before, and um, it's this is new information. You guys probably have heard about things like that, but like I said, those are numbers, and you can look them up to see what they have to show. There's an awesome video out on YouTube which starts it off from 10 to the power of 1 all the way up to 10 to the power of 300. Okay, and 3. So you can watch that video. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. You'll see all the names in there. And yeah. Okay, so I don't want to make this too long, but like I said, social media, you guys can find me at um how about I type this out for you guys because so the first one is Isaac G Isaac G Williams. Guess we got that. Second one, you can find me at Mr. Isaac G Williams, and then third, you can find me at Millennial Kingdom. Okay, so Mr. Isaac G Williams, and Millennial Kingdom. Thank you guys for looking at this video. I hope that you guys subscribe to the link below and um, continue to watch most of the content that I release. Alright, guys. So I'll see you guys. Ciao. Take care. Bye.